In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan Steam QR code to log in. By the end, you'll be able to approve your Steam Sign QR in seconds without typing a password. Using the secure QR code method. First, on your computer, open the Steam Sign-in screen and make sure the large QR code is clearly visible. This is the code your phone will scan to authorize the login. If the code times out or refreshes, that's normal, just keep the window open so your phone can see the most current code. Position your monitor so here is minimal glare or reflections. A clean, well-lit view helps your camera read the code instantly. Now pick up your phone and open the Steam app. Make sure you are already signed in on the app, since you need an authenticated mobile session to approve the desktop login. If you haven't used the app in a while, it's a good idea to be on the latest version for the smoothest experience. A stable internet connection on both devices will also help the process go quickly. Inside the Steam app, tap the shield icon at the bottom center to open Steam Guard. Steam Guard is Steam's built-in security layer that confirms it's really you approving the sign-in. If you don't immediately see the scanner, don't worry, this area is where all secure approvals happen. Next, choose the option to scan the code. Your phone's camera will open. Aim it steadily at the QR code on your computer screen, keeping the code inside the on-screen frame. Good lighting and holding your phone about 6 to 12 inches from the screen usually works best. If your phone asks for camera permission, allow it so the scanner can read the code. Most scans complete within a second or two. If it doesn't capture right away, adjust the angle slightly or move a bit closer. After the scan, you'll see a verification screen in the app with details like the device and approximate location requesting access. Take a moment to review this carefully. If the location and device match what you expect your own computer in your area, go ahead and confirm the sign-in. If anything looks unfamiliar, cancel the request to keep your account secure. Once you confirm, your desktop will log in automatically, and you are done. No password entry needed. Just a quick secure approval from your phone. Remember to only scan QR codes from your own Steam sign-in screen and never from untrusted sources. That's the entire process for logging into Steam using a QR code. Thanks for watching.